All right, I thought I'd make a quick video on a couple of devices that have recently arrived. This is the tiny SA Ultra spectrum analyzer on the left and the HackRF Portapack SDR transceiver on the right. And what we're looking at on the spectrum analyzer is the output from the temperature controlled internal oscillator clock of the SDR radio. It comes out here, it comes out through this push button attenuator and then feeds into the spectrum analyzer. And we're looking at the spectrum analyzer from a range of 9 megahertz to 11 megahertz. The output of the internal clock is fixed at 10 megahertz. And the way that you get to that is to click on settings, click on radio, and then there's a bunch of check boxes here. And this one here at the top is to enable the clock output at this fixed 10 megahertz frequency. So if you look at it on the spectrum analyzer, it's showing 10.0005 megahertz down at minus 24 dB. I do have the push button attenuator set at minus 30 dB, so the clock output from the HackRF is apparently about plus 5 dB. Let's see, if I turn this off, you'll see that the level comes down dramatically down to minus 70 dB, because the spectrum analyzer is so sensitive that it's still picking up on the noise generated externally by this SDR radio. Turn it back on. And then let's look at the spectrum over a wider range so we can see the harmonics. But so far the signal from the HackRF clock is very clean and it's very accurate. So I'll change this range to 1 megahertz to 100 megahertz on the spectrum analyzer. And there's the principal frequency at 10 megahertz, and then these are 10 megahertz apart. The odd harmonics are down about 10 or 12 dB as you go from left to right. So that's a pretty clean looking signal. The only other thing I wanted to mention was that I do have a DC block permanently connected on this input to the spectrum analyzer. From what I understand, that's just a good practice to protect your spectrum analyzer from any possible DC offset that may come from whatever external device you're connected to. So that's just a good practice. All right, thank you for watching.